of was and were. The verbs was and were are the past tense form of the verb be. The verbs was and were are the past tense form of the verb be. They may be used as main verbs or helping verbs. As main verbs, we can say I was tired. Here was is used as a main verb. They were late. Here were is used as a main verb. Now as helping verbs. Sarita was writing a story. Here main verb is writing and was is a helping verb. They were going to school. Here going is main verb and were is a helping verb. Now there are some points that we should always keep in mind. We use was with I, he, she, it, everybody, nobody, somebody, everyone, no one, someone, and singular nouns. For example, Ram, Shyam. Now we use were with they, you, we, and plural nouns. Now let us practice some questions. So fill in the blanks with was or were. Here he dash not in school last Friday. What we use with he? We use was with he. So we'll write he was not in school last Friday. They dash the best team of the year. What do we use with they? We use were with they. So we'll write here were. They were the best team of the year. Dhruv dash studying last night. Dhruv. Dhruv is the name of a person. So Dhruv becomes your singular noun. So what will we use? Was. So we'll use was. Dhruv was studying last night. The students dash thrilled to go out for a picnic. The students. Students means more than one student. So this is a plural noun and we'll use were with plural noun. So the students were thrilled to go out for a picnic. Nobody dash listening to the monitor. Nobody. We use was with nobody. So we'll write here was. Nobody was listening to the monitor. It dash raining when Raj came for dinner. It. What we will use? After it we use was. So we'll write was here. It was raining when Raj came for dinner. I hope this session is clear to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.